Welcome to my new channel, Einstein Eats, where we're gonna make human recipes and pet-friendly recipes too. I'm excited. Now, I had a pup cake. This was for my birthday and I loved it. So we're gonna make this recipe today. Very important. Make sure that any of your ingredients does not contain xylitol. It is poisonous to dogs. No xylitol. Look how cute I look. Okay, here's the recipe. Go ahead, pause it right here if you want. Get all of your ingredients and get everything all situated so you're ready. Okay? Now we got all of our stuff, our flours, our pumpkins, our baking soda, our applesauces, our oils, our carrots, our egg, and the peanut butter. Oh yeah, I forgot to set the peanut butter on the counter, but don't worry, it'll be there in just a minute. We're going to mix up our dry ingredients, the flour, the baking soda, and the carrots. Carrots. Now we gotta mix up all the wet ingredients. Are you ready? Okay, good. Got some oil, got the egg, got the peanut butters, so sticky. Got our applesauce. Gotta have the applesauce, unsweetened applesauce. Remember, no xylitol, no sugars, unsweetened applesauce. We just saved some room and put some of the pumpkin in here for good measure. There we go. 5 ounces, no problem. Easy, easy peasy. Now mix it up. Look at my mom mix. I like the colors, the way they swirl. Really cool. I mean, it like goes from orange to like a pumpkin color so quickly. We sped this up so you wouldn't have to watch it in slow motion. Now we got our wet and our dry ingredients. We're gonna mix those together real quick. You do it kind of slowly because if you throw all the dry in all at once, it's like a big clump. So like you kind of mix in a little bit and then you mix in a little bit and then then you dump the rest. Makes it real good. It's gonna be creamy and not clumpies, okay? All right, the non-stick coat on the pan, you gotta have this. We did jumbo cupcake pans, so they would be nice and big, but not too much for a dog to throw off our diet or our stomachs, right? We just want to have a treat. We don't want to have a gigantic cake. Oh yeah, those are really looking good. Good job, Mom. Let's go ahead and put those in the oven. Remember, 375 degrees. Yeah, right in the middle there so they cook real good. We're using a convection oven, but right in the middle is good for any kind of baking like that. So now we're gonna make the frostings. We got the peanut butters. We're gonna use about 2 ounces of peanut butter, even though we're just kind of spooning this. It's 2 ounces, trust me. Then we're gonna use yogurt. Now this is like some really thick, delicious yogurt, again with no xylitol because xylitol is a sweetener. So watch out for xylitol. And then you just mix it. I really enjoyed the mixing. I like the way it swirls. And this is so simple. Peanut butter, yogurt. Now, when we're done with this, we need to put it in the fridge because we don't want it to melt. We want it to be light and fluffy. So when we're all done, remember, put it in the fridge. All right, now our pup cakes are done. They need to cool. They went for about 16 to 20 minutes. We did about 20 minutes until the toothpick went in the middle and came out clean and it was good to go. All right, so now it's time to get them out. They're nice and cool. Put a wire rack on there, flip it over. The non-stick we did was amazing. The butter Crisco with a little bit of butter flavor, like I said. They came out perfect. We just set them on here. A little tip is to take these and put them in the freezer for about an hour and then they're nice and cool. So when your warm hands are squeezing out the frosting, it doesn't get too melty. So when it touches the pup cake, it's nice and cold. And then after you frost it, just like this, well, you could do a piping bag. You could use like a little spreader, whatever you want to do. It's real easy. It's up to you. And then, it goes on there and it stays on there. And then you put it back in the fridge until you're ready to enjoy. And now it's time to enjoy. Mom, you're a rock star. You too, Dad. Here's the recipe again. Thank you guys for watching. I'm glad that you guys came to visit me on my new channel, Einstein Eats, and can't wait for our new recipes to come out. See you soon.